Hello dear students, how are you? I hope so you are doing great. This is Lakshmi. Once again, welcome to the channel Maths Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I'm going to discuss about the various levels of examinations regarding the maths on objective type. By using amazing super tips and tricks, we can crack the solution in fraction of seconds. That is mostly helpful to you to focus the more number of questions within short time in your final examination. So because of I'm using the very simple and important short tricks, easily can remember it, there is no difficulty at all. And especially in today's video, I'm going to discuss about the one of the most important topic, that's simply ellipse. In this ellipse part, in this video, I'm discussing about the how can you form the various equations of ellipse by using the given various content of the ellipse, as well as if the equation of ellipse is given, how can you find out the various content of the ellipse also I will discuss in this video. It is mostly helpful to you for your objective type examinations. Without delay, let's get start. Are you ready? Already in one of the video I discussed about the how can you find out the center and eccentricity of the ellipse within 2 seconds. That video link is there in the description. You can click it and you can watch that if you're not yet watched till now. There I have explained what are the standard equations of the ellipse and what are the various content also I have given. We can refer them easily, you can follow it. Now just briefly I have written here. So one of the standard equation of ellipse I have written. I had draw the figure also. Equation of ellipse is in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. In case of a greater than b, this major axis along the x-axis, minor axis along the y-axis, and you know that clearly a and a dash are the vertices of an ellipse. Those are the ends of major axis. Coordinates are plus or minus a comma 0. The c is called as center of the ellipse. In this case, center is at 0, 0. And s in the sense s and s dash, there will be foci or foci. We can call it as foci or foci. Whatever may be the floral of focus. There will be s and s dash, we can collect from this formula plus or minus a comma 0. In this case, eccentricity a is our root over a square minus b square by a square, or we can use b square is equals to a square of 1 minus e square. Right? And also these are the basic contents what are maybe standard equation of ellipse in case of a greater than b. Okay, so SS dash is simply distance between the foci of an ellipse, that is 2AE, and LL dash. Here L and L dash are simply, L is one of the lattice rectum, L dash you can take, here L I can take. These are the lattice rectum, directrices. L and L dash are the directrices. Then distance between the directrices is 2A by E. What are the L and L dash? Are directrices equations. The distance between the directrices is 2A by E, and there will be equations of directrices also, equations of the lattice rectum, all those also we can use wherever maybe we need, right? So simply you have to know what is the standard form of ellipse, what are its content. Clear? In case of a greater than b, we can take the major axis along the x-axis, minor axis along the y-axis. In case of a less than b, it is also known as b greater than a. This will be in reverse. Means what it is vertically, major axis along the y-axis, minor axis along the x-axis. In that case, all coordinates will be changed, like center is fixed at 0, 0 only, and focus will be 0, comma plus or minus b. A will be 0, comma plus or minus b, and E will be root over b square minus a square by b square. Or maybe in place of b we can write a, or a we can write b, and SS dash will be 2PE. What is SS dash will be 2BE, and LL dash will be 2B by E. These are the various contents. In this case, we can find out length of lattice rectum. Lattice rectum length also important. That is 2B square by A. In case of A less than B, 2A square by B. These are, we have to refer first of all to follow these questions easily, right? Now, look at the question number 1. Axis or coordinate axis means what? Major axis is along the x-axis, minor axis along the y-axis. If he is not mentioned anything, we can take axis along the, as usual, major axis along the x-axis, minor axis along the y-axis. He will mention if he not mention suppose. In that case, we can take axis along the major x-axis, minor axis along the y-axis. Is it clear? Now, we had already mentioned that axes are coordinate axis and the minor axis 4. Minor axis means what? Distance from B to B dash. B is 0 comma B. B dash is 0 comma minus B. A dash already mentioned. Distance between the B and B dash is simply 2B. That is called as the length of minor axis. What is the B dash distance? 2B. That is length of minor axis. That is given as 4. E means eccentricity is given as root 3 by 2. Then the equation of ellipse. Here two types of data are given. First one is minor axis. What is in this case? Minor axis length is minor axis. Axis length is given as 4. That means indirectly 2b is given as 4 means b is equals to 2, right? And eccentricity E is given as root 3 by 2. What is the relation between the B, E and A? You know clearly B square is equal to A square of 1 minus A square. From this you can collect the A square. B square is equals to A square of 1 minus A square, right? B square means 4 is equals to A square of 1 minus E square means root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4, right? Now 4 is equals to A square of, by taking the LCM is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1 by 4. So what is A square here? Clearly A square is 16. A square is 16 you got. You know A square is 16, B square will be 4. Now what is the required equation of ellipse? X square by A square plus y square by B square is equals to 1. Therefore what is required equation? X square by A square plus y square by B square is 1. I have written again equations and replace the A square B square values here. A square x square by A square is 16 plus y square by B square will be 4 is equals to 1. This is on our required equation of ellipse. Clear? What is given content that is I used here? What is given content here? Minor axis length is given as well as eccentricity is given, and also given that axes are original axis, major axis along the x-axis, minor axis along the y-axis. Is it clear? Here. Now look at the question number 2. What is given data? Latest rectum is given as 4. What is the latest rectum I have given here? 2b square by a. 4 is given and E eccentricity 1 by root is given, and axes are coordinate axis means simply A greater than B case only as given. Find the equation of ellipse. Here what is the given data? The given content you can write what? 2b square by A is given as 4, right? 2 cancel. B square is equals to 2A we can write. And what is E value? B square you can write A square of 1 minus E square is equals to 2A. You know B square plus we can write A square of 1 minus E square is equals to 2A, right? You know E value is what? 1 by root 2. Therefore A square of 1 minus 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2 is equals to 2A. 1A cancel. A of 1 by 2 is equals to 2, right? Therefore A is clearly equals to 4. A is a 4. What is a B square? B square is what here? 2A. 2 into 4 is 8. Now what is the required equation? Required equation is clearly x square by A square. A square is 16 plus y square by B square is 8 is equals to 1. That's it. To find out the equations of ellipse, if he is given different types of content, you have to know what are those formulas first of all. Then we can crack the solution easily. Thus we have to know the what are the tips and tricks first of all. Clear? Yes, look at the question number 3 and 4. What is the given data about the question number 3? Center of the ellipse set 1 comma 2. It's not at 0 0. In that case, axes are parallel to coordinate axis. Center is we can take it as 1 comma 2 as a HK. Axes are already mentioned that coordinate axis, and the distance between the foci is 8. Distance between the foci is given as 8. Distance are never changed. In case of the center is at 0 0 or maybe shifted to 0 0 to HK, distances no change. Distances and eccentricity no change. There will be changes in the coordinates of various content as well as the equations of various content. That only will be changed. We will see here one by one. So, and the distance between the foci is given as 8, E is given as 1 by root 2. Then he is asking the equation of ellipse. To find out that one, first given center we can take it as HK. What is center of this ellipse? C, 1, 2 is taken as HK, right? E is already given as 1 by root 2. And as well as distance between the foci. What is distance between the foci is 2AE. Indirectly, coordinate axis are along the parallel to axis or maybe along the coordinate axis of the ellipse. Distance never changed, I said. 2AE is given as 8. So by cancelling the 2, AE is a 4. Take the squaring on both sides. A square E square is equals to 16, right? Already E value 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. Therefore A square of E square is 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2 is equals to 16, right? So wait for a second. We'll change the pen better. Right. A square is 16. A square by 2 is 16. What is A square is 32. Right? And what are the HK very well, A square very well, E also Now we can find out B square. What is the B square is? A square of 1 minus E square. That is A square is 32 of 1 minus 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. Clear? But taking the LCM here 32 into 1 by 2. 32 into 1 by 2 is 16. B square is 16. A square is 32. Center is at 1 2 means HK. In that case, we can choose the equation of ellipse is equation x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1, right? This is the equation of ellipse whose center is at HK. Substitute all values, HK, as well as a square, b square also, we can substitute here simply. It will be x minus h is 1 whole square by b square is a square is 32 plus next y minus k, that is y minus 2 whole square by b square is 16 is equals to 1. That's it. This is only required equation of ellipse. Here what are the given contents? A center is given, distance between the foci is given, eccentricity is given. By using these three contents, we can find out equation of ellipse. Right. Question number 4. Here what is given? In this question given that vertices are given 0 plus or minus 17. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is plus or minus 17. Foci is given as 0 plus or minus a. Then find equation of ellipse. In this case, vertices means a we can take it as 0 plus or minus 17. In the sense given that a has a 0 comma plus or minus a plus or minus b. The coordinate axis parallel to major axis parallel to plus or minus b you can take. Indirectly, what is given? Major axis along the y-axis, minus axis along the x-axis given. That's why I have to take 0 comma plus or minus b. And for key s is given as 0 plus or minus 8, in the sense s is equals to 0. S is 0 plus or minus b given, right? We can find out a, b, then find out the equation of ellipse. First of all, what is a b? Plus or minus 17 is a plus or minus b. Means b is equals to 17. In place of the plus or minus b, plus or minus 8 means what? B is equals to 8. Already b 17. 17 is equals to 8. E is equals to 8 by 17. You know E value, B value, you can find out A square. You know, in case of the here 0 plus or minus B and 0 plus or minus B, in that case A less than B we can use. That means simply A square you can add B square of 1 minus E square. In case of A greater than B, what you can take? B square is equals to A square of 1 minus E square. But in case of the A less than B, we can take A square is equals to B square of 1 minus E square, right? Now A square we want, B square is 17 square is 289, 1 minus E square is 64 by 289. But taking the LCM, 289 is already there here. Here 289 minus 64 by 289. Right? 289 cancel. A square will be 289 minus 64, 9 minus 4 is 5. Right? 8 minus 6 is 2, 225. Right? You know A square and B square, 289, the equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse is x square by A square is 225 plus y square by B square is 289, right, is equals to 1. You know that clearly A is less than B because A square is 225, A is 15, B square is 289, B is 17. 15 is clearly less than 17. Clear? Now we can like that we have to choose which one we have to choose, that is important. For that we have to know the clear idea about the what are the various contents of 4 types of the ellipse whose center is at 0, 0 or at HK in case of A greater than B or A less than B. Those you can recollect, you can watch that video. So otherwise you can recollect from your board examination syllabus theoretical part, that is mostly helpful to you to crack any type of question. If the eccentricity of an ellipse, its center is at the origin, is given as 1 by 2. Eccentricity of ellipse is given as 1 by 2 whose center is at the origin, right? If one of its directrices is x is equals to 4, one of the equation of directrix is given as x is equals to 4, then the equation of ellipse is. Here simply given that eccentricity is given, that means C is given as 1 by 2, right? Center is at 0, 0, center is origin means 0, 0, right? And one of its directrix equation of one of its directrix. Directrices is plural of directrix, that's one of its directrices is given. Is given equation is x is equals to 4. So according to the tip, maybe standard formula, equation of directrix formula is x is equals to A by E when the axes are coordinate axis, center is at the origin, that is x is equals to A by E. Indirectly A by E is given as 4, right? A by E is 4, E is already 1 by 2, therefore substitute E is 1 by 2 here, that is A by 1 by 2 is equals to 4, in the sense A is equals to 4 into 1 by 2 is at 2. Now can find out B square. B square is A square of 1 minus E square, that is A square is 4 of 1 minus E is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. By taking the LCM 4 of 4 minus 1 3 by 4, 4 cancel, it will be 3. What is a B square is 3, A square will be 4, therefore equation of ellipse is simply what that x square by a square, that is x square by a square is 4 because a is 2 plus y square by b square is 3 is equals to 1. This is one required equation of ellipse according to the given content. Clear? Now come to the next question number 6. What is given data? We can read it here. First sentence, find an equation of ellipse. We have to find an equation of ellipse whose lattice rectum is given as 15 and the distance between the foci is given as 10. Axes are coordinate axis. In that case, already given that lattice rectum means length of lattice rectum is given as 15, means indirectly 4b square by a is given as 15, right? And by the cross multiplication, 2b square is equals to 15a, right? This is we can take as equation 1. And the distance between the foci means what? SS dash is given as 10. What is SS dash? Yes, you are right. That is 2AE is at 10. Okay, simply from this we can collect the AE is equals to 5. Squaring A square E square is equals to 25. Finally, we want A and B. Then we can find out the equation of required ellipse. A square. What is A square is equal to E square of 25. A square E square is equals to 25. E square place we can write A square of 1 minus A square place. A square E square also we can write in another form. Okay, right. In place of E square you can add A square minus B square by A square is equals to 25. A square cancel. What will be left over? A square minus B square is equals to 25. What is a B square? B square is 15a by 2 from 1. Substitute here. A square minus 15a by 2 is a 25. In place of B square you can write 15a by 2. That means by taking the cross multiplication 2a square minus 15a, LCM 2 comes here, 2 into 25 is 50. Right? From this you can find out 2a square minus 15a minus 50 equals to 0. Right? This is clearly quadratic equation. We can find out the factors. You know 2 into 50 is 100. In middle what is there? 15. 15 we can add 25. 20 into 5 is 100, 20 minus 5 is 15. That's why we can split the factors like this. 2a square minus 20a plus 5a with minus 50 equals to 0, right? But by taking 2a common, it becomes a minus 10 plus 5, a minus 10 equals to 0. You know there will be two factors, 2a plus 5 is 0. A will be minus 5 by 2. You know A is not at all negative. That's why we cannot take the 2a plus 5 is equal to 0 factor. What is the rest of the factor? A minus 10 is a 0. Simply A is a 10. You know A is 10. What about B square? Substitute here. 2b square is equals to 10 into A. 15 into A is 10. That is 150. Therefore, B square is clearly 75. Okay, B square is 75 and A square is 100. Therefore, what is required equation of ellipse? X square by A square, that means 100, plus Y square, that is Y square by B square is 75, is equals to 1. Okay, here what is a given content? There will be two types of contents. One is length of lattice rectum as well as distance between the foci, right? By using them we can find out the equation of ellipse. Clear? Now look forward some more questions, right? Let's look at the question number 7 and 8. In these two questions, equation of ellipse is given, some other content is asking. In this question number 7, what is asking? What is this of an ellipse? To find out what is this of an ellipse, is it centered at 0, 0? No, it's not centered at 0, 0. If centered at 0, 0, there is no question of x and y coordinates, x and y terms. Here x1 terms are available means it's not centered at 0, 0. We can find out center as well as A and B we can find out to find out vertices, right? For that center I have given the short trick. We can use that. Otherwise you can collect it directly. What are the x terms? 9x square minus 90x side by side you can write, plus y terms 25y square minus 150y we can write as two terms side by side is equals to, otherwise you can write 225 is equals to 0. We can take from these two 9 is common. It becomes x square minus 10x, plus from these two take the 25 is common, y square minus 25 4 6y plus 225 is equals to 0, right? 25 6 are 150. Now we can reduce this is into x minus h whole square. To reduce into x minus h whole square, what is the x quotient here? 10. Half of the 10. What is half of the 10? 5. 5 square you can add and subtract in this bracket. That one you should remember. Same way, what is y quotient here? 6. Half of the 6. Don't worry about the minus. Half of the 6 is 3. We can add and subtract 3 square. Means what? Here we can add and subtract 5 square, addition, subtraction, minus 25. Plus here 25, y square minus 6 square, addition of 3 square and minus 3 square is 9 plus 225, right? Is equals to 0. This is again we can rewrite 9 of x minus 5 whole square minus 9, 25s are 140, 225. 9 25s are 225 with minus. Here also 25 of y minus 3 whole square you can write with minus 25 9s are 225. Plus already 225 is there here. We can take the equal to 0. 1 225 gets cancelled. 9 of x minus 5 whole square plus 25 of y minus 3 whole square is equals to 1 225 gets cancelled. One more minus 225 is there. Minus 225 becomes here 225. Right? Divisible by 225 it becomes x minus 5 whole square by 25 will come. 9 225 is only 925 is only 225. Same here also y minus 3 whole square by 25 9s is equals to 1. Now it is in the form of x minus h whole square by a square, y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1. What are the hk? Is center is at 5 comma 3 and a square b square are a square is 25, b square is 9. What is asking? Vertices. In this case vertices formula a greater than b, that is h plus or minus a comma k. That h plus or minus a, h is how much? 5. That is a is a 5 plus or minus a is 5 comma k is a 3, right? The vertices are with plus, if we take 5 plus 5 10, 10 comma 3, we can take another vertex is some a dash. 5 minus 5 is 0, 0 comma 3. That's it. Like that we can find out vertices. There will be short trick finding the center given in that lecture. We can watch that. From that also we can find out center directly. But we have to concentrate on A and B also. Now we can look at the question number 8. What is given here? Here also given as ellipse equation is asking find the equations of directrices. Find equations of directrices. Same way we can convert here also. We can write these two side by side. 3x square plus 12x x terms. Then y terms 4y square minus 8y minus 32 is equals to 0. Now among these two can take 3 is common. X square plus 4x. You know 4x, x quotient is 4, half of that is 2. I can add 2 square 4, subtract the 4. Same way here, take the 4 is common from these two. Y square minus 2y. What is y quotient is 2, half of the 2 is 1. We can add 1 and subtract the 1. Right? Minus 32 as it is equals to 0. This is we can rewrite 3 of x plus 2 whole square. You know a plus b whole square formula. 3 into 4, 12 with minus 12 plus 4 times of these three terms we can add y minus 1 whole square with 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 32 is equals to 0, right? This is we can rewrite 3 of x plus 2 whole square plus 4 of y minus 1 whole square. Here minus 12 minus 4 minus 16 minus 32. Minus 16, 32. How much? 48. With the positive 48 will come. Left side minus 48, right side becomes 48. To reduce into 1, divided by 48, that is x plus 2 whole square by 48 divided by 3 is 16 plus 4 into y minus 1 whole square. We can divide it by 4. 48 means 4 24s. 4 14s, sorry. 48 by 4 divided by 48. 4 1s 4 2s 12 is equals to 1, right? 3 16s 4 12s. Now what are the a square b square, you know? What are hk, you know? Simply hk are minus 2 1, right? And a square is 16, b square is 12. In case of what is asking, equations of directrices. Equations of directrices. What are that? Here a clearly greater than b, center is at hk. What is that? X is equals to h plus or minus a by e. These are the equations of directrices. X is equal h is minus 2 plus or minus a is a 4. 4 by e you have to find out. E is a root over a square minus b square by a square, that is 16 minus 12 by 16. That is root over 4 by 16. Root over 4 by 16 means what? Root 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Substitute here. A is 4 by 1 by 2. That is minus 2 plus or minus 8. Therefore, x is equal, if you take the plus 8, it becomes minus 2 plus 8 is 6. And x is equals to, if you choose a minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10. These are the equations of directrices of this ellipse. Is it clear? So here in these two questions, equations of ellipse are given. He is asking some other content. What is that? We can concentrate how can we reduce the equation of ellipse into general form. Clear? Look at the question number 9 and 10. What is given here? The radius of circle we want, which is passing through the foci of an ellipse. The radius of circle we want, which is passing through the foci of an ellipse and having its center at 0 3 is, we can find out the radius of the circle whose center is at the focus of this ellipse, as well as the circle is passing through the point 0, 3. Clear? So what is it given? The circle have the center at 0, 3 and passing through some point, some S. S is what? Focus of this ellipse. We can find out C is the center of the circle 0, 3 and S is the focus of the ellipse. Distance between the CS is simply nothing but radius of the circle. To find out the radius of the circle, already you know the C 0, 3, we have to find out the focus of the ellipse. Now what is the focus of this ellipse? What is ellipse is in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. Here a square is equals to 16. B square is 9. Clearly a greater than b. From this we can find out e first. That is root over a square minus b square by a square. Right? That is root over 16 minus 9 by 16. Right? Root over 16 minus 9 is clearly 7. 7 by 16 under root. That is root 7 by 4. This is eccentricity of the ellipse. What is one of the focus? One of the focus is enough. What is S is? AE comma 0. Now S is focus of the ellipse is A is what? A square is 16 means A is 4. 4 comma 4 into E is a root 7 by 4 comma 0, right? 4 gets cancelled. What is S is root 7 comma 0. This is the focus of the ellipse. Now circle is passing through focus of the ellipse and has a center at 0, 3. Now radius of this circle R is simply distance between the C and S, right? You know C is what? 0, 3. S is here root 7 comma 0. You know distance between the 2 points formula. Under root x2 minus x1 whole square, that is root 7 minus 0 whole square is root 7 square, plus 0 minus 3 whole square is minus 3 square. Therefore, this is simply root over root 17 whole square is 7 plus minus 3 whole square is 9. That is root over 7 plus 9 is 16. Root 16 in the sense 4. That is all our required radius of the circle. Clear? Very simple question. Same question, ditto question is given in 2013 JEE Mains. In this question, just only is asked the radius. Here is asked the equation of the circle. You know radius and center, we can find out the equation of circle clearly. Already did what is the radius of the circle. This one as is you can copy down there. He is asking the equation of circle. So same question even though no change in the numerical values. C30 and S is root 7 comma 0. Same question you see. The equation of circle passing through the foci of an ellipse, right, and having its center is at 0, 3. Here is asking the equation of circle, here asking only radius of the circle. Already you know center is at C is a 0, 3, that is taken as H comma K, and the radius of circle already got it here. R is equals to 4. So what is the required equation of circle? You know center and radius equation of circle is what? X minus H whole square plus Y minus K whole square is equals to R square. That is X minus 0 whole square plus Y minus 3 HK we can substitute here whole square is equal R square is 16. By this expansion, here x square okay, here y square a minus b whole square minus 6y minus 3 whole square is 9 with minus 16 equals to 0. This is clearly x square plus y square minus 6y, 9 minus 16 is minus 7 is a 0. This is our required equation of circle according to the given content. Here these two are applications of ellipse and circle connection is what? Like that he will give the any conic. Circle is one of the conics, that is circle, ellipse, maybe parabola, circle, like that he will give the connective questions. All those you can crack easily. There is no difficult at all. These are the various types of questions I did in this lecture. Majorly, I have done various types of equations of the ellipse by using various content, as well as if the ellipse equations are given, how can you collect the various content. Those are very helpful to you. What are the process I did in this ellipse? Same process you can move for the hyperbola also. Ellipse and hyperbola one are the same. Little bit difference is there. What is that slight difference we can get when I start the hyperbola. I hope so you can enjoy this video. If you make sure enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, keep work hard. I said to you, time is very important. Now this is your time for practicing and doing the more number of questions by using tips and tricks to crack your final examination of objective type to get the best and better rank. Hope so you can do it. Is it clear? So don't waste the time at any cost. So if you have any doubts regarding this video or maybe some other videos whose links are given in the description, or some videos links will be available top corner of the video by click the I button. Clear? Whatever may be your doubts, put a comments. So definitely I will rectify your doubts. Okay, we'll see in the next video. Till that, bye bye.